Hello, everybody, welcome back to Gyanan. This is the series of 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About People audiobook. How People Focus Their Attention. Chapter 43 Expectations of Frequency Affect Attention. Last year, Fred Steve, a businessman from Houston, Texas, boarded a flight in Houston with a loaded handgun in his laptop case. He made it through the security without a problem. Saif was not a terrorist. The gun was legal in Texas. He simply forgot to take it out of his laptop case before his trip. Security at Houston Airport did not detect the gun. It should have been easily seen by security personnel looking at the X-ray scanner. But no one noticed it. The US Department of Homeland Security routinely tests the ability to pass security screening with guns, bomb parts, and other forbidden items by sending them through with undercover agents. The US government won't release the figures officially yet, but the estimate is that 70% of these tests fail, meaning most of the time agents are able to get through security like Pride say, with objects that are supposed to be spotted. Why does this happen? Why do security personnel notice the bottle of lotion that is too large but miss a loaded handgun? Watch video about Farid Saif. You can see ABC News video on the topic at the link given in the description box. A mental model about frequency. Security personnel miss the loaded handgun and bomb parts, at least in part, because they don't encounter them frequently. A security officer is working for hours at a time, watching people and looking at the scanner screen. He develops an expectations about how frequently certain violations occur. For example, he probably encounters certain containers of hand lotion or nail clippers fairly often, and so expects to see those, and then looks for them. On the other hand, he probably doesn't encounter loaded handguns or bomb parts very often. He creates a mental model about how frequently any of these items will occur, and then, unconsciously, starts paying attention accordingly. Andrew Belkinis, 1997, conducted research on this expectation and found that if people expect something to happen with a particular frequency, they often miss it if it happens more or less than their expectations. They have a mental model of how often something will occur, and they have set their attention to that mental model. I use my laptop for hours every day, and most of the time it's plugged in. But sometimes I forget to plug it in and my battery gets low. Signal if it's infrequent and important. There is an indicator on my screen that constantly shows that the battery power is disappearing. But if I'm at home, I think I'm plugged in and I don't notice the indicator. Eventually, about 8% of battery left, my computer makes a sound and a message pops up to alert me that the battery is very low. This is an example of signaling when an event is infrequent but important. I wish that Apple gave me the option of customizing when I want it to be altered. However, by the time I get the alert, the battery is really low. Then I run around panicking trying to find my plug or an outlet or saving files. Key takeaways. People will build an unconscious mental model of how often an event occurs. If you're designing a product or an application where people need to notice an event that rarely occurs, use a strong signal to get their attention when it happens. To be continued. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe.